Everyone's doing AI wrong. And the companies that figured this out first are making billions while you're stuck with garbage responses. What I'm about to show you is why 94% of businesses will be using this by 2033, and most people are still completely clueless about it. This isn't prompt engineering, that's dead. This is context engineering, and it's the $217 billion revolution happening right under your nose. Here's what most people are still doing wrong. They type, "What's the weather like?" and get some boring, generic response about checking weather apps. But watch what happens when someone who understands context engineering asks the same question. Same AI, completely different result. The difference? Context engineering. Okay, so what exactly is context engineering? Think of it this way. Prompt engineering is like giving someone a sticky note with instructions. Context engineering, that's like writing a complete movie screenplay with character backgrounds, scene setting, and everything the AI needs to truly understand what you want. It's not just about the words you type, it's about creating the entire information environment around your AI so it can actually help you solve complex problems. Here's the uncomfortable truth. While you are still crafting the perfect prompt, major corporations are already using context engineering to gain massive competitive advantages. Three seismic shifts just happened. First, AI context windows exploded overnight. We're talking about AI that can process your entire company's knowledge base in seconds. Second, autonomous AI agents aren't coming, they're here, and they're making critical decisions based on context quality. Third, this will shock you. Research shows that 67% of all searches now end without a click. The AI overview. You see, that's context engineering deciding what information you get. The early adopters, they're not just seeing improvements, they're seeing 38% ROI improvements, 45% accuracy boosts in healthcare, and 40% traffic increases. By 2025, if you're not context engineering, you are not competing. Let me show you exactly what this looks like. Traditional approach. You ask AI to write an email, you get an email. Context engineering approach. The AI knows who you are emailing, your relationship with them, your communication style, the project context, relevant deadlines, and company tone guidelines. The result? An email that sounds like you with perfect context and actually moves your project forward. This isn't magic, it's engineering. And every major tech company, Microsoft, Google, Anthropic, they're all building their futures around this. Want to see how this actually works in the real world? Let me show you what context engineering looks like. Netflix likely uses context engineering for recommendations, not just tracking what you watch, but analyzing viewing patterns, time preferences, and behavioral signals to predict what you'll love. Amazon's recommendation system probably processes millions of contextual signals: purchase history, browsing behavior, seasonal trends, and user similarities. Those eerily accurate Google search suggestions, that's context engineering combining your search patterns, location data, trending topics, and real time information. Meanwhile, documented healthcare systems are diagnosing diseases with 45% better accuracy by context engineering patient data, medication interactions, and clinical guidelines. The fascinating part, most people think this is just good AI. It's not, it's engineered context working behind every smart interaction you have. Context engineering has 8 core components. But don't worry, I'll make this simple. System instructions, the AI's personality and rules. User input, what you actually ask for. Memory systems, what it remembers from before. Retrieved information, real time data it pulls in. Tool integration, actions it can actually take. Structured output, how it formats responses. Global state, coordination with other AI systems. Context sharing, how multiple AI work together. Think of it like giving an AI assistant a complete briefing document before every task. So, how do you actually start using this? 3 steps. Step 1. Stop thinking in prompts, start thinking in context. Instead of write me a blog post, think, what does the AI need to know about my audience, my goals, my brand voice, and my topic to write something amazing? Step 2. Layer your information. Give background, then specifics, then examples, then exactly what you want. Step 3. Practice the layering technique. Start your next AI conversation like this. First, set the scene. You are helping a marketing manager at a SaaS startup. Then add specifics. Our target audience is small business owners. Our tone is friendly but professional. Finally, give your actual request. Write a subject line for our email about our new pricing update. Here's what's coming: AI systems with perfect memory, real time adaptation, and multi agent coordination. We're talking about AI that doesn't just answer questions, it anticipates your needs, understands your context better than you do, and takes action before you even ask. The Model Context Protocol is becoming the industry standard. Edge computing is making this real time, and the organizations mastering this now are building insurmountable competitive advantages. Here's your moment of truth. The gap between context engineers and prompt engineers is about to become an ocean. Take the worst AI interaction you had this week, the one that made you want to throw your computer, and try my 3 step method right now. Then come back and comment context is king if it blew your mind, or tell me I'm wrong if it didn't work. I'm betting 9 out of 10 of you will be absolutely shocked. The AI revolution isn't waiting for anyone. You can either ride this wave or get crushed by it. What's it gonna be? And if this just changed everything you thought you knew about AI, hit that like button and let the algorithm know this matters. Because in 2025, there will be two types of people: context engineers and everyone else. Don't let your competitors figure this out first. Subscribe now for insider AI strategies that actually move the needle. And remember, in the new world of AI, prompt engineers ask questions, context engineers get answers. Context is king. Make sure you are wearing the crown.